Cap 26 here just disappears in hobbies. And I'm going to show you some things here about this knife sharpener. You see these belts here, how they're a little worn? Let me take one out of here. See it right there? You got to change that belt. You got to use new belts, okay? The belts are listed on this directory right here. And I'm going to go with that X55 and 22, which is on the right there, dull. On the right-hand column, right here, down here. And that's what I'm going to use on the belt sharpener. And this twists like this. Okay, lay the knife on it. You go 4 on this side, 4 on this side, like that. And I'm not going to show you actually sharpening the knife. I'm sorry about that. I got a bad hand. See? So I'm holding this as best I could. But I'll show you the result. I encourage everybody to watch the ads in my videos. I know they're a pain to watch, but that's how I get paid. And I appreciate you watching them. So let me do what I have to do here, and I'll show you later. Put the bottom 2 in first, push this over, yes, on a spring, and loop it up to the top. You pull this out and twist it like that. The button underneath here that you press, and then you run the knife like this. One side, then this side, then this side. That's how you do it, okay, while the belt's turning. All right. See on this side, I have it set to 20 in the center. That turns 20 degrees. It's all sharpened, and we're going to slice a piece off of here. You're not actually going to see it, but you'll see the results. Sliced like butter. Look at that. Right through. I highly recommend the Work Sharp Ken Onion system. Get yours today. I'll try to link it down below. And also, please watch the ads in my videos and rate and subscribe and give a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Bye for now.